XM radio activation in 2025 offers three primary methods to get your satellite radio service up and running in your vehicle. Before you can activate your XM radio service, you'll need to ensure you have the essential hardware and information requirements. The most critical piece of information you'll need is your radio ID, also called the ESN. This unique 12-character code identifies your specific radio unit. The mobile app activation method has become the most popular choice, offering enhanced digital integration and a simplified pricing structure that makes the entire process more streamlined than ever before. SiriusXM offers three convenient ways to activate your radio. Each method is designed to get you listening quickly and easily. The three activation methods are mobile app activation, online activation, and phone activation. Let's explore each method step by step. Mobile app activation is the most popular method used by 65% of new subscribers. Here's how to activate using the SiriusXM mobile app. Online activation through the web portal is straightforward and accounts for 30% of all activations. Visit the SiriusXM activation website to get started. Phone activation provides personal assistance and is used by 5% of subscribers, primarily for troubleshooting complex issues. All activation methods require your radio ID, a 12-character code that identifies your specific radio. Here's how to find it. If you encounter issues during activation, here are the most common problems and their solutions. If your radio ID isn't displaying, drive to an open area, ensure your ignition is on, and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the system to refresh. Activation delays are normal. Signal refresh typically takes 15 to 30 minutes in urban areas, but can take up to 4 hours in rural locations. With a 94% first attempt success rate, most activations complete smoothly. If you need help, SiriusXM customer support is available to assist you through the process.